So everybody knows about the success of the Deegan's Red Button channel videos. It wasn't too long after they blew up that we also saw a similar thing from the Reed family, especially when Chad was signed up to ride World Supercross on the KTMs and they were running Moto 40 and all that jazz. They put out some great videos. I think they used the same film company as the Deegans, and they eventually just disappeared, and there were no uploads. Chad got hurt on the KTM, and we hadn't heard anything. Nobody knew what was going on. Everybody wondered if the videos were coming back. Well, there was a video that dropped last night where Chad and the family talked and addressed this whole situation and basically said that they needed a break from everything. They were trying to decide where they were going to go, what they were going to do, what opportunities they were going to chase. And you could quickly tell that Ellie did not appreciate the cold of North Carolina. Somebody like me from a little higher up in Appalachia kind of laughs at that because we flocked to North Carolina so we can ride in the winter. And she made the comment that they didn't want to stay in North Carolina because Tate couldn't ride enough. They actually considered moving back to Australia to help with the Australian Supercross, but they ended up moving back to Dade City where their roots were back when Chad was racing full-time, where their kids were born and all that. So pretty cool story about how that all went full circle. There was some buzz around social media because you saw the Reed family on Yamahas. Chad addresses this in the video and basically says that they don't represent any brand. They represent Mountain Motorsports, which sells all the brands. And for a while, Mountain Motorsports was having trouble supplying them with enough KTMs, so they were just riding Yamahas. Now they're back on KTM, and he actually even goes on to say he's excited about that. He likes them. There's some mechanical and maintenance things about the KTMs he prefers over the Yamahas. And, of course, it's just nice to ride bikes that were designed in this decade, right? So it looks like the kids have been riding, but Chad hasn't been riding. And Ellie talked about how it was weird for her because this was the first time she had known him to not ride. And Chad finishes up by saying he's been having problems with his pinky and it's just now getting back to normal. And he feels like he likes to ride when he has a goal or a purpose for his riding and his head is clear. And with all their family decisions and stuff of late, that hasn't been the case. But we should see him get back to riding really soon. So with this World Supercross gig and stuff, we should be hearing from Chad Reed a lot. They also say their videos are going to start posting regularly again. So pretty cool news.